guys, my name is Elijah, and in today's tutorial I will show you how to slow down video in DaVinci Resolve. So this is my clip, I will play it for you, and we want to slow it down. So right click on it, and notice that here you have change clip speed. Click on that, and then here you can change clip speed. You can change it in percentage, in frames per second, and duration. Now keep in mind that if you have a 24 frames per second clip and you want to slow it down, it will look choppy, because anything less than 24 frames per second will not look as video-like. So I will show you, let's say 15 frames, and that is about 50% of speed of my actual clip. Hit on change, and then as you can see, it looks choppy and it really isn't that pretty if you are not going for that effect. So go back and I will show you what you can do with it. In my instance, I have 29 frames per second, so I can go over to 24 and it will still look good. So I can go over to 83% of my actual clip speed and it still looks good. So keep in mind, if you have 60 frames per second clip, then go over to 24 frames per second. Or just adjust this to your liking, and you can also speed it up when you bump it, for example, to 200%. Click change, and now it's sped up. So thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.